Hey, good morning, everybody. It's so nice to see you this morning. It's Monday, so happy Monday. Just wanted to get on here quickly. I only have a few minutes because I have to do another online meeting, so woohoo! But I just wanted to get on here quickly because there's something really big happening, and I'm just going to spend a couple minutes telling you about it, and then you'll see a post probably too, so you'll be okay. What's happening is Stamping Up every once in a while does a 24-hour sale. They're going to do it starting tonight at midnight, so it'll be good for October 23rd. So today's the 22nd. And what it is there's about 30 stamp sets, and they're going to be on sale for 15% off, which doesn't sound like a lot until you start doing the numbers. So like for instance, the Be Thankful set is about $14, so 15% off is $11, so that's really good. And there's a bunch of stuff on there. Now, this is to celebrate their 30th anniversary, and it's like their birthday. So a lot of the stamps do have a birthday theme. Some don't. This is one of them that's on there. It's this really cute set. I've had it for a while, called Bubbles and Bubbly. It's very versatile. I'm going to show you a quick little project right now. That's what I really wanted to show you. So I've been making some gifts up to send out because recently I started doing my new online newsletter. And when people sign up, I give them some little gifts that I've made. And so if you've signed up, you are going to be getting this stuff in your mail. I'm going to send you a little present for signing up on my new newsletter. It's actually the first 10 people on both of my pages that do it will be getting a little gift in the mail. So sign up if you haven't already. There's a post down below for that. But this is one of the things, and this is what I'm going to show you. This is a bookmark, and a lot of us are avid readers, so we need something to stick in there because you know it's a cardinal sin to flip the ear down, right? So we're going to go ahead and use stuff like this to do that, and I'm going to show you very quickly how to make it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just turn the camera down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So there you go. That's showing you my workspace, and I'm going to flip these things around for you so you can see what I'm doing. Now I am going to actually use a stamp out of this set, Bubbles and Bubbly, because this is one of the 15% off stamp sets. And I wanted to show you something from here so that if you wanted to get it for 15% off. Now this is for demonstrators, this is for customers, this is for everybody. It's the 15% off. Just remember that it's only 24 hours, so you gotta hurry. Now in my last post beneath here, I did put up my host code, so go ahead and use a host code if you place an order on my shopping page, because you will get that special goodie from me in the mail. So what I decided to use to stamp is this one that says "Today is your day," because that's kind of a nice sentiment for taking a bath or reading a book or doing anything kind of fun. So I'm just going to ink that up with my Memento. And with the Memento Tuxedo Black ink, that's this one that we're using here, I do tend to use it quite a lot because I tend to color quite a lot with my Stampin' blends, which are the alcohol-based pens, and they work really good. So that came out really nicely, I think. And I'm going to put these little, this is also from the stamp set, it's a little candle set. It's kind of cute. I'm going to see if I can fit that all in there. Hopefully I can. Because that would make a really cute tag in my mind. So just gonna let it dry for a second, and this is where these punches come into play. Now if you don't already have a bunch of punches, I strongly recommend getting some. They make your projects go so quickly. So I'm just gonna, this is already dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and always stamp first and then punch out so you can get a perfect punch. So I'm gonna punch it out right over here. Did it on the wrong side. There we go. No, maybe I did it on the right side. All right, here we go. That looks good to me, so I'm gonna just punch it out, and I'm done with that. And now, of course, I have another punch, but I'm gonna use some of this paper. Now, this is one of our new glimmer papers. It's called Joyous Noel. They did a new format with this glimmer, and it doesn't come off when you touch it, so I love that, because otherwise you'd see me with glitter all over my face day and night. So I'm just gonna punch, and this is my 2 1/4 punch. I'm gonna punch one with that. Now remember one thing, whenever you're adhering anything to glimmer paper, always make sure you use a glue dot. So I am gonna go ahead and use my glue dots right here, put a few of them on this little circle, And this is such an easy project. We're basically almost done with it. We just have to do the tag part. It's really easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and center that on there. And I'm just gonna use these little Stampin' blends to give it a quick little color. I'm gonna do these little candles in this pretty color. This is dark mint macaron, really cute. And this is light pumpkin pie for the little flames. Just enough to give it some color. Now the paper I decided to use, I showed you already, but this is from one of our sets that's currently still available. It's in our catalog and it's called Frosted Floral Specialty Paper. Let me show it to you. They have all these really pretty colors, and of course both sides have a pattern on them. So you have this color, you have this color, and then both sides, I mean, there's another pattern on either side. So they're really pretty and you could do a lot with them. So this is the one I decided to use. And I also decided to use this. This is Fresh Fig. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and adhere this down. Now the sizes on this is 2 inches. That's so it can fit inside my scalloped tag topper punch, which makes everything easy. And this one is 1 3/4 by 6 inches also. So I'm just gonna use my glue here. This is our all-purpose Tombow glue that we also have in our catalog. This is a great deal. It sticks things, the things don't come unstuck, and I love it, especially if you live in a high humidity area, which I don't, but we've been having weird weather this year, so I think this year we did have a high humidity area. So basically you just want to line that up, and it gives you a little bit of border on either side. And then you just push it down like that, and just go ahead and slide it right in here, punch it, and there you have it. So now you've got your base, and now you have this, and it's all ready to adhere onto this, and then you'll be done. Now I notice on the bottom it overlaps a little bit, and I don't like that, so I'm just going to trim it. You don't have to trim it, but I don't like that hanging over. I'm always worried it's going to catch on something, so I'm just going to go ahead and trim that off there, and then it won't be there anymore. So now people do all different things. You can use dimensionals to pop it up, but because it's going to be a bookmark, I don't want to do that. I want it to be flat. So I'm just going to use some snail and glue it down with the snail. And that should suffice. And for the ribbon, this is really pretty. It's got like copper undertones in it. So I'm going to go ahead and trim off a little piece of this. It's about, I don't know, 7 inches long or so. And what you do with this is you fold it in half. I know you guys probably already know how to do this. You've probably done it a million times. And you just put it through this little hole here at the top of the tag topper punch. Pull it through, and then when you have a little bit of an opening, you tuck these ends through, and then just take your time pulling it one at a time. So you'll have a nice, pretty little bow like that. So see, isn't that so cute? And that, I know it's turned around, but this does say, today is your day. And it's a really cute little sentiment. You have a little bit of bling there. Just to add a tiny bit more bling, what I usually do is add some of these little dots. And because there's a little bit of gold or copper in the ribbon, I'm just going to use these little dots here to make it a little blingier. I like to see a little shine on my projects. And these are also in the catalog. This is a great deal. These are only $5 and you get a bunch of them. So this is my project for today. I hope you liked it. It's just a really simple little bookmark, and it's cool though, because if you wrap stuff up, now again, I use Stampin' Up paper for this, so this is just current paper that we have and some twine, and then I had a little bit of evergreen stuff that was from Stampin' Up and it's still available. So these just make really cute little gifts, and you can make everybody happy on your list. So anyway, check out that 24-hour sale, okay? I don't want you guys to miss out. And if you have any questions, go ahead. Oops, it's bouncing, sorry. Post them below, but I'll be around all day if you need any help. And I'm so glad you were able to join me on this live. All right, take care, you guys. See you later. Bye.